Louise, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. I hope everyone had a great start this week into this new week, and happy Monday. Speaking of Monday, today is makeup Monday, and I'm going to do a little Ulta haul with you all, with some items that I picked up this weekend, and also picked up some things today. So let's get into this video. Okay, so first I'm gonna show y'all what I got. This was my Ulta bag. Let me show y'all what I got yesterday. So first things first, I got this little travel size fragrance by Valentino. It's the Donna. Yeah, it's the Donna fragrance by Valentino, and it smells so good. I like the packaging of it. It's so cute and pink. I like pink. Let me show y'all what the bottle looks like. And it looks like this. Like Valentino brought across, and it looks like you could remove it and replace it with another one or something like that. But it looks good. I like it. It smells good too. Yeah, it smells good. It smells really good. Now take that. So another thing I got was the Lip Injection Extreme by Too Faced. Looks like that. And this one is in Bubblegum Yum. So it's a lip gloss, but it's like a lip plumping lip gloss, and this is what it looks like. Not like that. I normally get like the regular one, but I just wanted to try like a new or flavor, so to speak. So next thing I got some things for my kid. I got the Maybelline Master Prime primer base. This right here. I love this primer. I'm gonna put this in my kit. I'm just, slowly but surely adding new things to my kit. And I got this setting spray. It's a matte setting spray by Maybelline. I love this. I use it all the time pretty much. If not that, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter, but this is like my favorite drugstore brand, so yeah. And then another thing that I got from my kid, I also got this lip liner right here too. It's by NYX. It's in the shade, yeah, it's in the shade Prune. It's like a purple, like a deep type purple or whatever. I didn't open it up still. I could open it up and swatch it. I'm gonna just wait until I hold it, because I think I'm gonna just put this in my kit. So yeah, just put it on my kit, because I need to collect some liners anyway. And another thing I got is the Morphe 35O Supernatural Glow palette. I know in my last video I showed y'all like my makeup, my face of the day, and I used the palette for that face. So this is gonna go in my kit. I said I was gonna get another one to go in my kit. This is going in my kit, and this is what it looks like. So let me open up. It looks like this. It looks a little messy. I've been using it so much. I use it every day for like work, or like this my everyday go-to face. So yeah. And then another thing I got was I wanted to try this line out, because I mean when it came out, I love the packaging of it, but I never tried it. I want to try it. The brand is called Beauty Bakery, and I love the packaging. It's called the Better Not Bitter flower. It's a setting powder in Casanova yellow, so it's like kind of yellowish. So I got this, And then I also got, I wanted to try their foundations too. The Beauty Bakery Insta Bake foundation, aqua glass foundation. So this is what the box looks like, and this is how you open it up to the front. So it's got like a little mixer whisk thing right there. And this is the foundation. I got it in the shade 315 warm. So I think I'm gonna do a video using like their products. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. Another thing I got was the Beauty Bakery Lip Whip Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is what the packaging look like. Excuse me. And I got it in the shade Bowl of Cherries. And you slide it out, it slides out like that. So, and this is what it looks like. It's red. It's really pretty too. So, and then I got this. It's so like the packaging is so cute. The Always Sprayer Sweet Grace Baking Spray. It's like a setting spray or mist, and it looks like that. I love the packaging. I can't wait to use these products. And I think I'm gonna get some more. I love their lippies. I think I'm gonna get some more of those. But I really can't wait to use this product because I've been wanting to get it, but I was like, I don't know. So I heard a lot of great things about it. So I'm gonna check this out. I like it. It looks like I'm gonna wear that today. So for his makeup, I got another Morphe palette. It's the Avani Greg palette. It's cute. It's cute, and this is what the look like, the palette, and this is what the colors. Let me see. This is what the colors look like. They look like that. And at the bottom down here it says wet your brush before you line. So I think these are like pretty much liners down here. I think you can use them as eyeshadows too, but I like this. It's so colorful. I like colorful eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I can't wait to use this. I might add this to my kit. I don't know, but I like this. I'm gonna try this out. And another thing that I got was I got the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub Watermelon. Like when we first got these, I was like, I want to get it, but when I went to actually purchase this, they were all sold out, and it took a long time for us to like get this in. And I also have like the Whip body butter. I love Tree Hut products, so like if you haven't used this, you need to use it because it's really good and it smells so good. This one smells, it smells like watermelon. It smells like the Bubblicious Bubble Yum bubble gum, but it smells so good. I like it. And this smells good too. It smells good, but it don't smell as good as the sugar scrub. So yeah, it smells like summer, and summer will be here soon. So yeah, so this was everything I got this weekend. This is the end of my video, end of my haul or whatever. I'm gonna try to do some more Makeup Monday videos. So yeah, if you want to see me do anything else or any other type of videos, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna leave my handles below, so you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. And I'm gonna also leave a link below for my last video if you haven't checked that out. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you all again. Thank you, and bye.